Like living in hell, harrowing details as we dig deeper into the story of Wendy Dowe. Deported from the United States in May this year, Ms. Dowe is one of dozens of immigrants suing the U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement for medical abuse. This evening, Ms. Dowe describes in detail treatment received at the Irwin County Detention Center. Giovanni Dennis has the details.
I don't know where to start. First, the place looked like I never go to hell before, but I think I was in hell.
The food and the treatment at the Irwin County Detention Center in the U.S. state of Georgia has left Wendy Dowe physically and emotionally scarred 6 months after she was deported. Class action suit for medical abuse aside, we wanted to hear the rest of her story. She agreed to speak with us at her home in West Central St. Andrew. After asking to see a dentist while detained, she says she was cuffed on her feet, hands and waist.
They take me to the dentist. I'm like, can you remove these? I'm taking out 2. They said no, they're not a bite 2. So I took 2 teeth out with shackles on my arm, around my waist, around my feet. And I was in tremendous pain.
She also has sleep apnea, a disorder that affects breathing during sleep.
When I do fall asleep, the girls would touch me like, Miss Dowe, get up. You're not breathing. And I try to tell ICE I need a breathing machine. They tell me that we're not going to pay for it, it's too expensive. I wait 6 to 7 months. I had to fight them before I get a machine that wasn't working.
Her health worsened after a medical operation.
The first surgery is when I went back to Irwin. That causes me to have infection in my navel, my side, under my stomach, high fever, no medical care, no pain medicine. I was cut and got into, and no pain medicine at all.
She started writing her will because she didn't expect to make it out alive. She also began speaking up about what she calls aggressive treatment, but that didn't help.
So after that, I was put in solitary confinement. Me speaking out was in solitary confinement. And I was in there for a day. I couldn't even breathe. That's when they take me and bring me to this pod they call G. It's a trailer. No tablet, no nothing. I can't communicate with the kids. I couldn't do anything because I'm speaking out.
No, she doesn't want any other Jamaican to experience what she did.
I would like to tell them America is not a bed of roses. It's not. And if you go there and you're undocumented, it's not good. And you can't do anything for yourself. You can't get any job. You can't get anything, and people treat you less human.
She also wants the government to do more for people like her.
Do more to help your citizen there. Even the one incarcerated. Just do more. Do like you care.
Our news center is still trying to get a comment from the Foreign Affairs Ministry. Calls to the Minister Kamina Johnson-Smith went unanswered. Giovanni Dennis, TVJ News.